In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Alipay on 1688-2025, step by step. First, open the 1688 app and navigate to the product you want to buy. Take a moment to choose the exact color, size, or model that matches your needs. Set your quantity and keep an eye on the seller's minimum order quantity, often labeled as MOQ, so your order can be processed without delays. When you're ready, you have two choices. Tap Jia Ru Jin Ho Dan, which means add to cart if you want to keep shopping or review multiple items together. Or tap Li Ji Go Mai, buy now, to head straight to payment for this single item. If you added items to your cart, open Jin Huo Dan, the cart, to review everything. Check the variance, prices, and totals. When it all looks correct, tap Kujie Swan, checkout, to continue. Next, confirm your shipping address. Most 1688 sellers ship within China only, so you'll want to select or add your China warehouse or freight forwarder address. Double check the receiver's name, phone number, city, and postal code to avoid shipping issues. A small typo can slow your order, so take a moment to verify each field. On the payment page, choose Zifu Bao, Alipay as your payment method. If you plan to shop often, set Alipay as a default to speed this up next time. Using Alipay here activates Alipay escrow, which adds a layer of protection to your transaction. Now complete payment in Alipay. Tap Tijiao Ding Dan, submit order, and you'll be redirected to the Alipay interface. Enter your payment password, and if prompted, complete OTP or Face ID verification. Finally, confirm the payment. You should see a success message in Alipay and be redirected back to your 1688 order. Here's how Alipay escrow protects you. Your money is held securely by Alipay while the seller prepares and ships your order. You receive the items, inspect them for accuracy and quality, and only after you confirm receipt does the seller get paid. If something isn't right, open a dispute before confirming receipt so Alipay can help resolve the issue. To verify your payment status, go to Wo De Ding Dan, My Orders in 1688. Your order should show Yifu Quan, paid, and Dai Fa Huo, waiting to ship. That confirms your payment went through and the seller is preparing your shipment. That's it. Simple, secure, and clear. Make sure your Alipay account is active and funded before you start. Keep your warehouse details handy and always review your order before confirming. Happy sourcing on 1688.